We could die at any time, and no one online would know. That's why I made a simple deadman switch called the deathbox.
Deathbox here.
Hey, my name is Echo, and today I'll show you how this project was made. Alright, so this deathbox project is basically just a monitoring service that detects heartbeats from clients. The monitoring service runs on a VPS as a web server, and my computers, or the clients, ping and send their heartbeats to the web server. Personally, it's a great way to give myself a wellness check. I'm always on my computer, so if the monitoring service doesn't receive any heartbeats from my computers after a long period of time, then it's safe to assume that I died. Here's how it works. The monitoring service uses Redis, which is a key value store database. We only use one pair that has no value, but contains a time to live, or in other words, an expiration date. When my web server detects a heartbeat, it tells Redis to set the key's time to live to 7 days. Once an expiration happens, my web server that's listening to Redis will get a notification of an expiration event. Then it fires off the deadman switch, which just sends a tweet. For the clients, it's really simple. On startup, my devices ping the heartbeat endpoint of the web server with a simple shell script which curls with headers containing the device name for logging and shared secret for authentication. To summarize, whenever I turn on my computer, a heartbeat is sent to the service. Then the service updates the time to live to 7 days. If an expiration happens, meaning I don't log into my computer for 7 days, then the service does the thing. Well, that's pretty much it for my first distributed systems project, small and simple. If you like this project, I encourage you to take a look at Froggy's Heartbeat project. I initially was talking to a mutual about the idea of the Deathbox project, and they mentioned that I should take a look at Froggy's. It was a great help on understanding what tools to use for the service and the client. The links for my project and Froggy's are in the description below. Thanks for watching.